Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Survey. So in today's video, I will show you how to complete AttaPoll surveys on cloud phone using your mobile phone. So if you find this video very helpful, kindly subscribe, click the like and share button. Thank you. So first of all, you have to go to your browser and search for this website. This is website I use. So there are different kind of web platform you can use your platform. So I'm using this one as an example. So on the platform you have to register as a new user. So since I've already logged in my account before, so you have to register with your email. Then you also log in. This is how your dashboard will look like. Then you'll be given as a first time purchaser, they'll give you a discount of 25 percent bonus. So you can click on claim, and you can see they also give you free to use for 2 hours just to test the platform. So once you click on claim, then you click on you can see if you are buying the cloud phone, so you have to choose the Android version you want to use. So anyone works from here, so you can go for the latest one, 15 or 14. So you are using this high end read machine, so you don't have to choose standard. High end read machine, so you can see all the high end read machine. You can see them which are popular here. So you can also select, maybe you're using you want to use a Samsung, you want to use a Redmi, so you understand. So let me pick Samsung. So you can see the specification. Android 10, you can see Android 10 60 gig storage, so you have to go for something higher. So you can see this Honor 50, Android 15, 68 cores, so 12 gig RAM. So you can see then the pricing. So it depends. These are the country of the iCloud you want to pick. So if you pick Hong Kong, the iCloud will be based on Hong Kong. So if you are using USA, so you have to click on this USA. So if you are making your first purchase, maybe you want to test it out, so you can make use of this 1 day or 7 days or 30 days. But it's more preferable if you go for the 30 days use, so which is more preferable. So but if you want to try actually test it out, then you can go for the 1 day use. So you understand. So then you click on here, okay, your IP. So you have to set your IP. You have to set your first IP here. So you have to click on using existing IP. Then you click on this add IP, add proxy. Sorry. So your proxy type socks 5, proxy method, proxy, your name, your proxy name, just write any name. Your server address, your port, your account and password, it will be generated from the IP site you are using. So let's assume you are using Telegram proxy. So it will be generated to you, so you can input it here. Then you click on network detection. It must show valid that it detect the network. So you understand. So then you click on OK. You understand. So since I'm not connecting it now, so let me just do not use IP. So this one is just there. Then you click on buy now. So it will direct you to a payment page, and they have different payment methods. You understand. So you can see PayPal, cryptocurrency, card. So if you are the one that don't know how to use crypto, you actually use your Nigeria bank card. They now support international payment. So if you also have PayPal, it's good also. So then you click on it, submit purchase. So after like 1 minute, your dashboard, you will add a new device just like this on your dashboard. You understand. So once you once you're able to log into the dashboard. So let me use this one as an example. Okay. So let me just use this one as an example because I've been given 2 hours free. So you can actually see. You can actually see. Okay. I'm coming. Okay. It has okay. I've been given the 2 hours. It has already reflect on my dashboard. You can see automatically they give me Okong Akang. So it's still initializing. So this is how it will look if you actually buy the for USA. So this is just a free 2 hours use. So you can see my cloud phone here. So you can actually see my cloud phone here. So you can actually set this one to either floating or pro. So to not to get on confused, sometimes I always go for this floating ball. So if you want to use pro, so this one, so you won't be getting confused or mistakenly clicking on the wrong button here. You understand? So just go for the floating button. So this is your main dashboard. So these are you are going to download your AttaPoll and other app you needed on it. So this is what I actually do. So on the App Store, so you have to visit this App Store. So you don't need to connect your Gmail or some stuff like that. So just search for for APK Kio. APK APK Kio. I'm coming. So it will be more easier to download different app on this APK. APK. And one thing about this cloud phone is your most of them are always lagging. So you have to be patient when using cloud phone. So sometimes it will be so laggy that you may feel discouraged. So the APK is downloaded, then allow. So now this is where you are going to download all the app you needed directly instead of using Google Play service. So you have to search for AttaPoll. So right now you have to download two app, which is your app for email and AttaPoll. So actually I use Outlook because it's easier to register without asking for a number like Gmail. So you understand. So you can see the app here. So then you click on install. So this is just for the mobile platform. So if you are using mobile, what works best is when you are using PC. So it will be more convenient when you have a PC you can use to run this cloud phone. You understand? So also you can see my AttaPoll is downloaded. So you also download Outlook. You can see Microsoft Outlook. So you have to download this also. So when this is downloaded, then the first thing you have to do is just to create an email on this also. Create an email. That's just the first thing you need to do. So before you register for AttaPoll. So don't use external email because when AttaPoll send you a link, they will want you to click on that link to redirect you back to the AttaPoll site. You understand? So you can see. Let me show you my home page. You can see I've downloaded 3 apps here: APK, Kio, Pure, AttaPoll, and Outlook. So this is the first one you are working on. Outlook. Create an email. It's very easy. Just within 2 minutes, it will be completed. Then you go to AttaPoll. Then you register with your email. You understand? You register with your email. So you understand? So another thing is you have to, when you collect your IP finish, you have to check your UA.net or IPA.com. But it doesn't mean, even though it bring even though it's not on 90% or 100%, so it doesn't mean, as long as it is a USA platform, you won't be detected. Understand? So another thing to avoid is when doing AttaPoll surveys is writing a useless response to their survey. You understand? So to avoid ban or payment cancellation from them. So they hardly cancel payment, and their minimum payout is just 2.5 cents, $2.05. You understand? So very easy. You can actually make, if you are serious about survey, at least minimum of $5 or $10 per day, more than $10, $20 per day, because it is very easy. Their surveys are very, very easy to complete. So there's another thing. Let me show you. Okay. So just for now, this is how you run the AttaPoll stuff. You understand? So you can also use another app. There are different apps you can use also. All this nice survey, 5 surveys too. You can also run it on them. So to avoid, so they won't be banning you like your normal phone. You understand? So that's all for now. And if you find this video very helpful, so kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also join my Telegram group for any other question. Thank you.